So, while we are talking of industries, let's first understand about the iron and steel industry, because it is in fact the backbone of industries in India. Now, about the iron and steel industry, there are certain facts which you must remember. The first thing is, iron and steel industry is in the category or falls in the category of heavy industries. The raw material which is required for iron and steel industry is naturally the iron ore, limestone. These are the things, these are the materials which are required. Generally, iron and steel industry are public sector industries. Now, why is it so? They are public sector industries because they require huge investment. The capital that is required for starting such kind of an industry is very huge. So, it is not possible for individuals to own such industries. Therefore, generally they are public sector industries. And wherever these industries are, very essential feature is that it should have a good transport system, because whatever the raw material is, whatever is being produced is all very heavy. So, for transportation we need to have a good transport system. These are the essential features of an iron and steel industry. But we also see another thing, that most of the iron and steel industries are confined towards the peninsular India. Why is it so? Why are they located in peninsular India more? Now, the reasons behind this are, first of all, in peninsular India there is availability of iron ore. So, the raw material is easily available. Second is, it is also close to the coal fields, another raw material. Next, other raw materials which are required like limestone and dolomite are also easily available. Next is, this area is near to ports, and next is, this due to the ports that they have, so therefore the water transport is easily available, and which is also a cheap kind of transport which is available to these industries. And Kolkata is a huge market for iron and steel industry. Therefore, all these factors together make up that we see most of the iron and steel industry in peninsular India. Now, most of the iron and steel industries in India are at this peninsular India, but which are the few major centers? Just remember the few major centers of iron and steel industry in India: Jamshedpur, Durgapur, Bhilai, Bokaro and Rourkela. These are the 5 major centers of iron and steel industry in India. This is all that you must learn in this chapter about iron and steel industry. The basic features and why is it located in peninsular India and which are the major centers. Just remember only this much about iron and steel industry. I continue with the next industry in the next clipping.